In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count words on Google Docs. If you're writing an essay, preparing a report, or following strict submission guidelines, knowing your exact word count can save you time and stress. Let's walk through the simplest ways to check it, and I'll point out a few handy options along the way. First, open your Google Docs document. Once your document is open, head to the top menu and click Tools, then choose Word Count. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Shift plus C on Windows or Chromebook, or Command plus Shift plus C on a Mac. Using the shortcut is often faster, especially if you check your count frequently. When you open Word Count, a small pop-up appears. This shows your total number of words, characters, and pages for the entire document. It's a quick snapshot that helps you understand how long your writing is at a glance. If you're working toward a target, this is where you'll confirm whether you're under, over, or right on track. If you want to keep an eye on your count as you write, look for the option labeled Display Word Count while typing in that same pop-up. Check this box. When you do, a small overlay appears on your document, so you can see the count update live as you type, delete, or edit. This is especially useful when you have a tight limit and need to make real-time adjustments without repeatedly reopening the menu. You can leave this overlay visible and continue working, or you can uncheck the option later if you prefer a cleaner view. When you're done reviewing the numbers, you can click OK to close the pop-up. If you enabled the live display, the overlay will remain visible as a compact counter while you continue typing. Sometimes, you don't need the count for the whole document, just a section like an abstract, a paragraph, or a caption. In that case, highlight the specific text first. Then open Word Count again using either Tools, Word Count, or the same keyboard shortcut. The pop-up will show the count for your selection, letting you confirm exactly how many words or characters are in that highlighted part. This is perfect for meeting per section limits without guessing. That's all you need to quickly and accurately count words in Google Docs. Open your document, use the Word Count tool or the shortcut, turn on the live display if you want ongoing updates, and highlight text to measure a specific section. With these simple options, staying on target becomes effortless.